Third rank match of the night. Yes. Third and final. I'm done after this. No more. And I'm back with another ranked match. Win or lose, I post. If you're new and like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to duel me, be in a video, or want to see the deck list, see the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's link into the brains. Round 1. Dude, this is only once per turn. I should probably set this. Yeah. Yep. That's it. Ganando. I was in the lobby and I was like, hey, it's shademanv2. Next thing you know, I'm dueling him. Arm Dragon Lightning? What? No, you're not. Artillery. Catapult Turtle. Special summon. Yeah, no way. Level 5 dragon monster's gonna get. Oh, what the. I've never dueled against Armed Dragon Thunder before. Come on. Doodle! Oh, okay. Not bad, not bad. Not bad. Crystal done, pay 100. Add Conquistador. I'm gonna get rid of that back row. What's the back row? Oh, Infirm. Oh, okay. Send, add, special. Oh, I've already sent. Oh my god. What do I send? This guy? I'll send him. I'll send another ZOOLICH. Okay. Kinda wanna save this battle. ZOOLICH. Destroy. Artillery. Catapult turtle. Yes. In phase 2. Throw down a couple face downs. End phase Aquero. Set Scarlet. Pass turn. Let's do this. Flawless victory. That's all I really do. It's just, that's it. That's it. Round 2. Dude, I thought it was round 3 there. Oh, yes. Do I do this? I think I'll do this one last. Oh no. I'll save the Eldritch. Do I save the Eldritch? Yeah, I can't do that. I should have just went for this guy. Damn it. Damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it. Get the Eldritch. Yeah, whatever, I'll just do it now. Okay. Oh, now I can't even attack. Fuck. Three. And 4. Oh wow. Now I can't even attack. Try going for more damage and I can't even do damage. Actually, I could have attacked. I could still attack. If I go like this. Pop that. Oh no, I can't even. I'm gonna have no monsters. I went from bad to worse. Holy sh. He sided in the hand traps. Fernando. Maybe I should have kept one of these. No. Oh, banishing 6. Evenly matched. That's cool. I'll keep Scarlet. These are gonna be banished. Scarlet, ZOOLICH, oh another. I don't want to activate this. Ram. Hammer Calm. Let's do this. I was about to go to a trail driver. Attack for 5k and then yeah. What was I here? I started off 1192, lost 1173, won 1184, and won again 1195. So I went up 3 points. Comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.